Hello guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tokwesoni. On today's episode of Women's World, we will be talking about a topic that I find quite interesting. And the topic is this: are women truly difficult to please? As women, we grew up learning how to become better wives, how to be better mothers, how to be better sisters. And then we grew up and we married men who were only taught how to be providers. What does that mean? When you put people who have learned through their lives on how to be a better partner to the other gender, and they are married or partnered with people who do not have any understanding on how to be better husbands in terms of knowing deeply what women want, what you have created is chaos. When I come back, I'll talk more on this topic. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, are women truly difficult to please? The only thing you need to learn with women is to listen. If you do not have any understanding of what women want or who women are, it's going to be very hard for you to understand them, and then you term them difficult to please. Women only want one thing: listening. Contrary to popular opinions that women want attention, a lot of women, they are not interested in your attention. They only want that when they are talking to you, they want you to hear what they are saying. They want you to know who they are. Please do not peddle stereotypes. Women are gossips. Women are materialistic. Women are this, women are that. Women are not mono people. We are different people. The same way men are different. The same way women are different. What that means is, if I like good things or I like working, it doesn't mean the next woman is going to be like that. Listen. When I tell you that I don't want you to stress me, when I tell you to do something once, I need you to just do it and not talk. I don't want you to term me as, a nagging person, someone who nags. Women nag a lot. We don't nag. If only you just do what we want you to do once. Now, I understand that the same way women have been confused over time to be Jezebels, we understand that conditioning, societal conditioning, they've not helped matters, And that is why I want you to listen to this. The only reason you will think women are difficult to please is because you've been conditioning yourself to think women exist for only your pleasure. We've been seen as an extension, as helpers. Women do not exist for only your pleasure. They have their own life to live. And if you can just do one thing after watching this, listen to the women around you, your mothers, your sisters, your girlfriends, your regular friends. And don't just think that they will think the way your own male friends are thinking. I believe that you have better relationships with your girlfriends. Anyway, that's it for today. On another note, I am difficult to please, honestly, because I like my things a certain way. And I have a lot of girlfriends who are like me. After all, a lot of my friends, they don't think I am difficult. The only people that think I am difficult are men. And that is because they think they know what I like. This topic today is actually very serious. Anyway, guys, remember to follow me on Instagram @Tokwesoni and follow our social media handles right there. I'll see you all next time.